We have now reached the last two steps of our exercise. In our earlier step, step 7, we have computed the number of beds required for each hospital from the year 20X1 to 20X7. Using that information, we can compute the utilization rate for each hospital for each year. Utilization rate is equals to the number of beds required divided by the actual capacity, which is the number of beds available. Using the utilization rate, we can see that some of the hospitals have utilization exceeding 100%, and in some years, the overall utilization also exceeded 100%. We will use this information to make decisions on whether to add 50 beds to existing hospitals, deciding in which year and at which hospital, and also to decide in which year to add the 2,000-bed hospital. We are now back at the Excel spreadsheet. We can compute the utilization for the first year 20X1, which is equal to the number of beds required divided by the actual capacity. And we can fill. We can see that all the hospitals are doing fine. Their utilization does not exceed 100%. We can do that for the remaining years by simply copying and pasting the formula over and stretching to the last row, which has a new hospital. There is a divide by zero error here because the new hospital is not added yet. We can now copy the formulas and just paste over the remaining years. We will start to observe that some of the years, some of the hospitals will start to have utilization exceeding 100%, and in the later years, the overall utilization will exceed 100%. If we were to plot the information of the number of beds available and the number of beds required over the years, as well as the utilization rate, we can see the information clearly on the chart. The blue and the red chart represents the number of beds and number of beds required respectively. You should be reading the numbers on the left axis. The green line represents the utilization, and you should be reading the information from the right axis. We can see that in the 5th year, the utilization would exceed 100% if nothing is done in terms of adding beds or adding the 2,000-bed hospital. Use the spreadsheet to determine in which year should we add the 50 beds to the existing hospital and to which hospital, as well as in which year should we build the 2,000-bed hospital.